I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this Sigma eyeshadow base, you guys, with this brush. All the products that I use in this video are going to be down in the bottom bar for you guys to go check out if you'd like. I've started to use this brush because it's a little bit easier than what I was doing before. I did my eyebrows off camera, as you guys can see. I probably will have an updated eyebrow tutorial coming up, but yeah, you guys, I did them off camera. I've started to use concealer as well back with it, but they look natural because y'all know I like my natural eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go ahead, use this brush and put it all over my eyelid to start my eye shadow look. Alright, you guys, today I'm going to be starting off with this Milani No matte palette. All my colors are actually going to be coming from this palette. The first one that I'm going to go ahead and use is called Nature. I'm going to go ahead and use that like by my brow bone. You guys kind of can't really see it because it's like kind of blending and meshing in with the eyeshadow base, but it's okay, you guys. I'm gonna keep putting it into like it's like a grayish type color. You guys will see, it'll turn out nice. The next color that I'm going to be taking is going to be Sunrise. It's a really pretty burnt orange color, and I'm going to go ahead and put that right up under that other color that y'all saw on there, and it's gonna like, and I'm gonna blend it like toward the top and mix it with that color. The next color I'm going to take is called Auburn. It's a really pretty dark burgundy color, and I'm going to go ahead and place that right into my crease and blend it upward into that orange color. Every time you come around, every time you return, see it in your tired eyes. This next color that I'm going to take, you guys, is called Heat. It is a really beautiful red color. So what I'm going to do is take this color and focus it on the outer end of my eye and blend it up into Sunrise. So I'm going to be taking it on this flat brush and blending it like midway into my lid and up into Sunrise, if you guys can see the motions that I'm making. And that is just going to be to kind of darken up the outer part of my eyes, which is a look that I'm going for today. I think it's really pretty for fall. This next color that I'm going to take is called Mauve. It is like a very beautiful plum purple color, and I'm going to be putting it in the inner corner of my lid and blending it into Heat and up into Sunrise. And that is a different like flat kind of fluffy brush that I'm using for that one. And if you guys can see, these colors blend beautifully, so I'm just gonna blend the two together like they're gonna meet kind of midway in my eyelid. And if y'all can see that, it is so pretty. So I'm just gonna intensify that just a little bit just so I can get the color payoff that I'm looking for. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eyeliner, you guys. It's an eyeliner pencil. The color I got is called Zero. What I'm basically going to be doing, I don't know what this is called. I think it's called tight lining, I guess it's called. So I'm not going to be putting any eyeliner today. I'm just going to be going ahead, and I got this from YouTube as well. Putting it on like the top of my waterline to just intensify my eye look, you guys. So no eyeliner today. Now I'm going to take my lash Essence Princess Mascara, you guys. I have been absolutely loving this mascara. They have another one that I got from Amazon. I'll be coming along and showing you guys in like some future makeup tutorials. But I'm just gonna go ahead and coat my eyes with this. You guys, this mascara by itself makes you look like, well, my eyelashes makes it look like I have false lashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply 3 coats to each of my lashes with this mascara. I just want to take a minute and show y'all what I'm talking about with this mascara. It makes me look like I got false lashes. Y'all see that? And that's only mascara. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this e.l.f. Power Grip Concealer you got. Oh, well, sorry, primer. And put this on my face and just rub it and pat it in. The little tube things, they pat it onto your skin, but I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna rub it onto my skin so I can spread it evenly, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pat, like, you guys see what I'm doing basically. And I'm gonna put that all over my face because, you guys, I have oily skin, so this is why I'm putting it all over my face. If you do not have oily skin, you don't have to do what I'm doing. You can just put it in the places to where you get oily. However, I have oily skin, so this is why I'm putting it all over my skin. Now I'm going to take this Milani No Pore Zone, and I'm going to put this on top of the e.l.f. Power Grip. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because the e.l.f. one, I don't know, it don't do anything to like stop my pores from showing, but it does help the makeup stick. And no, me putting this on top of it does not affect how the makeup sticks. It still works perfectly fine. I'm putting this on here because it does give me a matte look for all day, and I do mean all day, like 16 hours, and it does stand up to its claim. And I'm going to utilize this along with the e.l.f. because the e.l.f. is sticky and helps my makeup stay on, and this one blurs, helps my makeup stay on and mattifies. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this Airspun loose face powder, you guys, with a sponge, and put this in my areas where I get oily. I am doing this, and all of this is going to help my makeup stay on, and it does not make you look cakey, by the way, if anyone is wondering. No, not on me. It does not look cakey. But anyways, I got this tip from myself. Actually, I used to do this all the time. And if you guys are on YouTube, following folks on YouTube, y'all will see that on YouTube, those of us who have very oily skin, they tend to do this as well. And even some makeup artists have advised to do this for those of us who have oily skin. Again, no, it does not make my makeup look cakey, not how the process goes. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that Airspun with that sponge. It gets everywhere, you guys, and just pop that all over my face where I get oily, meaning my nose, my chin, most of my face. So anyways, the color that I got, you guys, is Suntan. So I'm going to keep doing that until I'm done, and y'all to see how it come out. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this Milani Make It Last Matte Spray and spray my face. This is going to do a couple things. This is also to help my face stay matte. And this is also to just go ahead and get rid of some of the white or the ashy look that y'all see from the Airspun. Okay, you guys, I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation. I am just trying this. This is something new. I have the color 511, which is walnut. I think I had to use a total of 3 pumps of this, and I started off using this brush. This is supposed to be a full coverage foundation, and I'm just dabbing it on the back of my hand with the brush, and then I'm just dabbing it on my face. Now, being honest, you guys, for the most part, I was using this brush, but the brush really wasn't doing it for me. I'm being honest. I think it was just the fact that the brush was too small. So I was dabbing it on with the brush, like kind of buffing it into my skin. But y'all gonna see what I'm gonna do later. I'm gonna get the sponge because I'm like, this brush is not working. But anyways, you guys, this color is a perfect match for me. And if you guys see, the fact that I did put the Airspun first is not changing the color of the foundation nor affecting it to make it look cakey or nothing like that. Alright, you guys, now I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. concealer, and this is what I'm going to be using as my highlight today. I'm switching around a few things, you guys, because I'm noticing that some of it makes me look like ashy or whatever. But anyways, this one has like a very yellow mellow tone to it. So yeah, again, this is by e.l.f. and it's called Deep Olive, and I am just going to go ahead and highlight my bridge of my nose, under my eyes, and my chin. Sorry I'm not in focus, you guys. These new camera settings kind of throwing me off. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that, and then I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender and blend that out. Sorry I didn't show you guys what I was using, you guys, but the links to all this stuff will be down in the bottom bar for you guys to go ahead and check out. I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face. This is a L'Oreal Infallible concealer, and the color I got it in is Cocoa. So I'm just going to use that to go ahead and contour my face. I am going to blend that out with a beauty blender, and y'all gonna also see I'm going to go in with a brush as well, just to go ahead and blend it out a little bit more. So back and forth between the beauty blender and the brush I'm going to use. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this Sasha Buttercup setting powder, you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and just basically set everywhere that I put my highlight at, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. I'm going to be using this bronzer I got from Sephora with this angled brush here. The bronzer color is called Mykonos, I think it's called. I might be pronouncing it wrong, but that's what it is. I'm going to just go ahead and use that to set everywhere that I have gone ahead and placed my contour concealer thing at. I'm going to be using this Laura Mercier setting powder and honey to set my face, you guys. My camera cut off while I was applying it to my face, but that's what I use to set all over my face for my foundation. The blush I'm going to be using today, you guys, is called Pinch Me by M.A.C, and I'm going to be using it with that angled brush right there. I'm just going to go ahead and place that on me. I think this blush fits me so well, you guys. It is so pretty. And I'm just going to go ahead and keep putting that on until I get the intensity that I want, because it is very pigmented. So I went very lightly and then just built it up. All I'm doing right now, you guys, is going back over everything, blending it together, and then I'm going to go ahead and set my face. Now what I'm basically going to do, you guys, is go back in with my Milani Make It Last matte spray and just spray my face to set everything after I have done touching it up and everything of the sorts. For my lips, I'm going to be using these two NYX butter glosses. Y'all, I have been in love with butter glosses lately. I am going to be using Fortune Cookie and Cinnamon. So first I'm going to go ahead and use Cinnamon, and then I'm going to top it off with Fortune Cookie. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I had a blast making this for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to go ahead and rate the video if this is something that you guys enjoy seeing. I'll get more out to you. You guys, this wig here is a half wig. I'll leave the link to all this down in the bottom bar, as well as this headband. Thank you for my new folks who are just visiting me, as well as my people who have been rocking with me. I love you all. Bye.